It's my first ever NFL game, and we're at the NFC Championship.
We think they bumped it us. First easy.
Look around us. You finally got something to be proud of.
They can't vote with us.
Encroachment, defense number 93. Washington has been advised that at some point the referee can award a score if this type of behavior.
Ah, stupid! Watch your Eagles fly!